So, as I told you, months rolled on and Bruno had grown many times in size. It grew in size like the size of Alsatian dogs. Okay? Then it was very sweet. It was very intelligent. It started to follow various instructions. He loved, means Bruno loved all the family members as they also loved him very much, and especially his wife. He started, means Bruno started to follow various instructions like when he was commanded, Baba wrestle or Baba box, so he used to make various actions with the help of his hands. Then he vigorously tackled anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. He did various actions vigorously and tumbled them down. Anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. Okay? Then if we give him a stick and ask him, hold a gun, then he pointed the stick like a gun. And if we ask him, Baba, where is baby? And he immediately produced and cradled affectionately a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bag. And if we ask him to, if we ask him, where is baby? He would take a stick which he used to keep as this affectionately as a baby. He used to keep this stick as a doll, as a toy in his bed. Because of tenants' children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. Now he had to be chained up most of the time because it was creating troubles to tenants. Then my son and I advised my wife and friends advised her too to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. He was getting too big to keep at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. Hastily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? He replied, yes. The zoo sent a cage from Mysore to in Lorry, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. Now what happened? See, his son, means author's son, and he himself advised his wife. Even his other friends also advised her to send Baba to a zoo in Mysore. Actually, he was growing up in size and creating troubles for others. He was being mischievous. And it had become too big to keep in a house. So they were advised, especially his wife was advised to send Bruno to the zoo. At, at last, she had to give her consent. Consent means approval. Consent means approval. Write their meanings. Small insect that eats away wood. Okay. So hastily means in a hurry. Before she could change her mind, Means they all were so happy. Means her husband and his her son, they were so happy, and they decided that if before she could change her mind, they wrote a letter to the curator of the zoo in Mysore. Curator means a person who is in charge of the zoo, means who takes care of the animals over there. They wrote a letter and in which they wanted to know if this zoo would accept a tame or a pet bear, and they were naturally they were happy. They wrote, they sent their consent, and they said yes, they can. The curator replied in yes. He sent his consent in a positive way, and immediately the zoo sent a cage from Mysore and Baba was packed. Okay. This zoo was, means Mysore was 87 miles from their place, and Baba was packed off, means sent to the zoo. Fine. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved. My wife was inconsolable. She wept and fretted. For the first few days, she would not eat a thing. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back home, the reply is, well, but fretting. He refuses food too. So, all other family members were missing Bruno very much, but they were feeling relieved, means relaxed. There was a sort of relaxation in their mind. But his wife, author's wife, was very inconsolable. वो चुप ही नहीं हो पा रही थी, उसको कंसोल करवाना, सुकून दिला नहीं पा रहे थे. She was inconsolable. Inconsolable. Right? She was inconsolable. She wept and wept. खूब रोती थी. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. Then she started writing letters to the curator of the zoo. Even she did not eat. She wept a lot. And then she used to write letters. How was Baba? And the reply is, well, but fretting. He refuses food too. But the reply came like that. Well, ठीक है, but fretting. He refuses food too. लेकिन भी उसका मन नहीं लग रहा है. Fretting means feeling unwell. He is not having food. He was refusing his food. Okay, such reply came from the zoo, means from the curator. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of going on, going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. They reported that he was well, but looked very thin and sad. Then all the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. After that, those friends of the author who visited Mysore were definitely going to the zoo there and seeing how Baba was getting along. They also noticed that how was Baba's progress, what was the improvement or what was the condition of Baba in zoo. Author's friends, they also visited the zoo and they reported that he was well but becoming very thin and weak. Author's friend told him that he was not getting well, he was becoming weak and thin. He remained sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretted. Even all other keepers there in the zoo, they also noticed that Baba was becoming weak. Then his wife said that she wanted to see Baba at any cost. Either her husband should carry her there in a car or she would go by herself, by a car, by train or by bus, by any means she would go by herself. Okay? So, this way, she decided to go there. She declared that she would definitely go there. And now we will continue the rest part of the lesson from tomorrow.